Push-ups are among the most effective full-body exercises available. They target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Whether you are a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, integrating push-ups into your daily routine can produce remarkable results. Have you ever wondered what could happen to your body if you do 50 push-ups every day? Stay tuned to find out how this simple exercise can completely transform your body. Now let's go. 1. Strength and muscle tone. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Each time you lower and push your body up, you're engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. By doing 50 push-ups every day, these muscles will become stronger and more defined. Over time, you'll notice your upper body looking more toned and athletic. This improvement in muscle tone not only enhances your appearance but also boosts your physical performance in other activities. 2. Improved cardiovascular health. While push-ups are primarily a strength exercise, they also get your heart rate up, providing a great cardiovascular workout. Doing 50 push-ups in one session requires your heart to pump more blood to your muscles, improving your heart's efficiency. Over time, this can lead to better heart health, reduced risk of heart disease, and increased overall stamina. Your heart will become more efficient at pumping blood, and you'll find yourself getting less winded during physical activities. 3. Enhanced core stability. A proper push-up isn't just about your arms and chest. It's also about maintaining a strong, stable core. When you do a push-up, your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles work to keep your body in a straight line. Doing 50 push-ups every day strengthens these core muscles, leading to better posture and balance. This improved core stability can help prevent injuries and make everyday movements easier and more efficient. 4. Boosted metabolism and fat loss. Regularly performing push-ups increases your muscle mass, and more muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Additionally, the intensity of doing 50 push-ups can elevate your heart rate and metabolism, promoting fat loss. Over time, this can help you shed excess weight and maintain a healthy body composition. 5. Mental toughness and discipline. Committing to a daily routine of 50 push-ups builds mental toughness. It's not easy to stick to a daily exercise regimen, especially when life gets busy. By pushing through this challenge every day, you'll develop a stronger mindset, enhancing your discipline and perseverance. This mental toughness can carry over into other areas of your life, helping you tackle challenges with greater confidence and determination. 6. Improved joint and bone health. Push-ups are a weight-bearing exercise, which means they help strengthen your bones and joints. The repeated motion of push-ups helps to increase bone density, particularly in the arms, wrists, and shoulders. Stronger bones reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. The movement of the exercise helps keep your joints flexible and healthy. This benefit is particularly important as you age, helping to maintain a robust skeletal system. 7. Enhanced mood and stress relief. Exercise, including push-ups, triggers the release of endorphins, which are the body's natural mood elevators. Doing 50 push-ups daily can help reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. The routine can become a form of moving meditation, helping you to clear your mind and boost your mental well-being. Plus, achieving your daily push-up goal gives you a sense of accomplishment, further enhancing your mood. Doing 50 push-ups every day can truly transform your body and mind. Remember, consistency is key. Push through the challenge and embrace a stronger, healthier you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness videos. Let us know your push-up record in the comments below and how push-ups have impacted your fitness journey. Check out our other videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching.